Hi Cancers, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. So, for those of you who have spent a lot of time around family or friends over the holidays, I feel like you're feeling a little bit of sadness because you're really starting to miss those people that you've been around for a couple weeks or for, a few days around the holidays. And Cancers are just very emotional signs, very connected to people and just they really resonate, and so it's really sweet of you. I know it's not doesn't feel good for you because you're the one missing everybody, but for the rest of us it's really sweet. You guys bring a very nice, beautiful energy to our lives. I do feel like throughout the month you're going to start disengaging from that and you're going to start getting excited about the year, and I think you're feeling really good about 2019, but you're not entirely sure what you want to accomplish this year or how things are going to go or what really interests you at this time, and that's okay. And I think you're not really that worried about it and you're not really trying to plan for it, and I think that is the right approach. The guidance that I'm getting for you is that just follow your interests, follow what calls you, and you'll figure out what this year is going to be for you, what this year is going to mean for you, what you want this year to become, what you want to achieve. You'll figure that out within a few weeks and it'll become really clear. So just follow your interests, and all of that is going to start to piece together into something that is more meaningful, more tangible, something that you can actually envision and go after versus right now where you're just feeling good and you're just going after what feels good and makes you continue to feel better. So the approach that you're going with is really good. You're on the right track and things will start to clarify themselves for you, and I think this is going to be a good year and you're already on the right track. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also check out my website, which will be at the end of this video and also in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.